Good morning, student. Yeah, just wait for 2 minutes. Yes. Yeah. Good morning, all the students. Now we go with the vector analysis in the 7th class. Already we have discussed it about the different types of vectors in the last classes. Yeah. Good morning, all. And now we are going to discuss about the remaining concepts of the vectors and as well as the scalars, whatever there. Yes, in the last class we already completed about the components of vectors and as well as the here we are now at the different types of vectors. That is only we have here. Yes, in the whatever the our lecture number 3 it is there. In the lecture number 3 we have the different types of vectors. What is the different types of vector we already discussed it. Yes, once again we are going with that whatever the vectors are there. Okay, yes, we are discussed already coplanar and as well as the coinitial and as well as the like vector and these all. Once again we remind it in this particular class. Next we are going with that our whatever the exercise what it will be there. We already completed. There is a different types of vector. That is what when there is a vectors are coming from same point. Okay, they are called what? They are called as concurrent vectors. Okay, or otherwise it is also called what? A co-initial vector. This is called what? A co-initial vector. Co-initial vectors. Okay, this is the first vectors and different types are drawn on the board. Okay, now yes, second one, there is a co-terminal vectors. Co-terminal vectors. Meaning of the co-terminal vectors are what actually? There is a what? They all are meet at one particular direction. Okay, clear or not, all the students? They meet at one particular point P. Okay, now they are may come from a different points, but they meet at a different. Okay, now yes, not a different direction. They contain only one directions, and they meet at a one particular point only. Okay, clear or not? All those vectors are end point is the same, head point is the same for that vectors. That type of the vectors are only called about co-terminal vectors. And third one, we have taken it is a coplanar vector. Okay, clear or not, all the students? A coplanar vector. We already discussed about the coplanar vectors. Which one is called a coplanar vector? Which are contained in a same plane. Suppose you take XY plane, there is the AB it is, and other are the BC, CD it is. They are contained in a same plane. That is only called the coplanar vectors. Okay, got it? And as there is a non-coplanar vectors, which is called a non-coplanar vectors. Which is called non-coplanar vectors, which are not contained in one plane. Suppose you have to take here, this is the xy plane, this is the x dash, this is the y dash. The vectors are in this particular things, whatever the direction or whatever the magnitude. They are in xy plane. This is in a x dash y plane. This is in a x dash y dash plane. This is in a y dash and x plane. That is why it is called what? Non-coplanar vectors. Got it or not? And next, after this, we have there is a equal vectors. Which one is called equal vectors? Equal vectors. Which is called equal actually. The equal vectors are meaning nothing but here we are taking so what actually the vectors which are not a contain same magnitude but opposite in direction. It is called what equal vectors. Got it? Or not? The magnitude is the same. Okay, now and direction also same. That vector is called is equal vector. 4 centimeter and 4 centimeters are there. Okay, now AB and other CD. But it is called what? Equal vector. This vector is called equal vector. Next, sixth one. Unlike vectors are like vectors. Okay, clear or not? Like vectors are parallel vectors. Like vectors are parallel vectors. Got it or not, student? This all we have discussed in the last class only. Once write down parallel vectors. The diagrams are important. It will be easy for you. Yes. Which one is called a like vector or parallel vector? Whatever the magnitude, it will be there in the same direction. Okay, clear? The magnitude is the same. Somewhat A bar it is somewhat, and it is about a CD somewhat. We are taken CD bar it is. Then it is a 2 centimeters only, it is a 4 centimeters. Whatever may be the magnitude, but the direction is same. And other one is a parallel with another one, it is called what actually as like vector. Seventh one is unlike vector. Unlike vectors. Yes, one is another direction, right? Another one is another direction. Yes, maybe there is a magnitude of the A bar is a twice is the magnitude of B bar. Maybe it is a what actually? Yes, A bar it is, and other the B bar. The directions are different, opposite to the one another. Yes, whatever may be the magnitude, that is called unlike vector. That is somewhat a 4 centimeters, somewhat a 2 centimeter. It is not a problem, but the relation they get for us because of what one is related with another one by using this. Got it? Got it or not? I hope you got it. It is unlike vector. Next, eighth point. Yeah. Next, negative vector. Yes, all the students. Next component is about negative vector. Yeah, there is a what magnitude should be same. Okay, clear or not? Yes, all the vectors should be magnitude should be same. That vector is called negative vector. Okay, one is in this direction, another one is in this direction. This is the A bar, this is the B bar. A bar is equal to minus B bar. This is the called what? Unlike vector or otherwise a negative vectors. Got it? Yes, magnitude should be same. These are the different vectors. Please note down. Yes, for your reference purpose, easily understood it is when you draw the diagrams. Okay, clear or not? Yes. Yeah. Next, we are going with that one. Next vectors. Yeah. Listen carefully. One by one, the vectors. This is the called what co-initial vectors. This vector is called co-initial vectors. Why? Because they started initially at the same point. When the vectors are started, or tail of the vectors are started from a same initial point, that is called the co-initial vector or co-terminal vector, opposite to the co-initial vector. When they terminated, okay, now means what termination is occurred where at a head or end point. The end point is it is A. That is the called what? Co-terminal vector. Co-planar vector. Yes, there is we have different planes. Okay, now depending on the space, depending on the position of the particle, we have different space. Yes, that space, especially we are taken it is as different in a manner. In case it is considered with the one space only, that is called coplanar vector. That vector is called coplanar vector. Next one is non-planar vector. Which one is called non-planar vector? They are not belonging to the same space. Okay, x, y. Suppose in our component space, one vector is the north and south, another vector is the north and west in the direction, or in this particular northwest plane. Okay, these are not a coplanar. Okay, clear or not? That is only we are considering. Whatever may be the direction it will be, it should be contained in a one plane. It is a called a coplanar. And on the other side, in case it is not in one particular plane, they are in another plane. That is called a coplanar. Example is when we are taken a reflection of light. Okay, now reflection of light. Law of reflections. Okay. Yes, all they are called coplanar. Incident angle or incident ray and reflected ray are coplanar. We called coplanar. Means what? Opposite in the direction. The incident ray nothing but it will become like that and reflected back in this direction. Got it? It is a comes in this direction, reflected in this direction. That is a called what? A coplanar based. This is incident, is a reflected. Got it? I hope you got it. Now there is a what? Next one, equal vectors. Which one is called equal vectors? Which are contain same magnitude. Okay, now same direction, but the different things. They are not started on the same point only. They are in a one, not in a one plane also maybe. Yes, at that time it is called what equal vector. They contain same magnitude, but in the same direction. Then should not be in the same plane. Okay, now yes, at that time also they called what equal vectors. We called it is equal vector. The magnitude should be same. The direction also should be same. Okay, got it? That is called the same vector. Yes, like vectors are parallel vectors. When the two vectors are not contain any angle, the angle between the one vector to the another vector is 0 degrees. Okay, that is called the what actually parallel vector. Okay, and they are should be in one direction only. There is a what only not only the okay angle, there is a what should be in a one direction only. Yeah, there is automatically when the angle is 0, there should be in one direction only. Yes, one direction only, and as well as the angle should be 0. It is a called about line vector. Okay, there is a what is the angle these two lines 0. Okay, in the same direction. But when there is opposite direction, it will be angle should be 180 degrees. Okay, now exactly opposite. Nothing but north vector, south vector. That are opposite or unlike vectors. Na? That's why this is called unlike vector. Next one is negative vector. Which one is called a negative vector? Okay, clear or not, understood? Which one is called a negative vector? The same in a magnitude but opposite in the direction. That is called negative vector. Got it or not, understood? Yes, there is a 4 centimeter magnitude only. Yes, and as well as the what? 4 centimeter magnitude only. But one is east in the direction, another one is west in the direction. What happened? Okay, the two vectors are called as negative vectors. They not called unequal vectors, negative vectors. Got it or not? Magnitude is the same, nothing but there is a directions are different. They not called unequal, but they called one is a negative vector of another one. Just the direction is the main role played here. Okay, got it? Yeah, these are the different types of vectors. Next, unit vector. When there is one vector is there, the vector magnitude is a unit. Okay, now that is a called what? Unit vector. It's a read by the cap. Okay, the name of the cap. Okay, clear or not? Yes, the magnitude of that vector is become what? Unit. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Yes, here we are taken what it is indicated by the A cap. There it is designated as A bar by mod A. Okay, now mod A. Yes, how will get the unit vector actually? Yes, when we take a vector, it is a divided by its magnitude. You get one vector. That vector magnitude should become 1. Okay, na? That is only called a unit vector. Okay, clear or not? The unit vector, yes, if here what it will be get is A bar is a parallel to the A. Yes, this A cap is a parallel vector to the what A bar. Why? Because it is like that, you know, A bar is equal to it has A cap into mod A. Okay, now yes, this is only the thing. Yeah, I want to give a explanation for example for this one. Once check it. Suppose I am taken A bar is equal to, okay, clear or not all this? Suppose I am taken A bar is equal to A1I plus A2J plus A3K from what here. What is the unit vector of this A bar? What is the A cap? A cap is written as mod A bar by, sorry, A bar by mod A. What is the mod A? Mod A is nothing but the magnitude of a vector we have to find out in the what way, you know, under root of A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square. Got it? Yes. So what is this? This is actually the vector representation. Yes, this is the I bar, J bar, K bar. These are the unit vectors along the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. When you write a vector in a physics, you write in this particular format only. We can't write it is simply 3 newtons east side. How you write it is east side? 3 I bar. Why? Because I bar, I cap is a what vector along the x-axis. That's why we written like that. Got it? I hope you got it here. 3 I cap. In this mode only we have to write it. Yes, we every time not mention east, when every time not mention south. In which direction? X-axis direction. Okay, now in that way only we are. Yes, mod A is equal to under root of A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square. Okay, got it. Now, how we written it is A cap is equal to taken as mod A bar. Means nothing but A bar is the what? A1I plus A2J plus A3K by what is the mod here? Under root of A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square. Got it? This is only called a modulus. Okay, this is only called a what? Modulus here. Okay, now yes. Just I want to take one example. Find the unit vector for 3I plus 4j plus 5k. How to find it? Simple thing it is. Okay, now you have to take this is the A bar. Okay, now A cap is equal to how we write it is 3I plus 4j plus 5k as mod A. What is the mod A here? Yes, mod A is written as 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. Already I have given here A1 square, A2 square, A3 square. Compare here this vector with this vector. Okay, now A cap is a become. How much it will be? Tell me. Under root of 3 square 9 plus 16 plus 25. Got it? Yes, how much it is? 25 plus 16, 41 plus 50. Under root of 50. Got it? Now then what is the unit vector? A cap is equal to taken as Pi plus 4j plus 5k under root of 50. Under root of 50. This is only become the unit vector of this particular vector. Okay, now whenever they ask for you unit vector for finding, you have to should follow this process. Got it or not? Yes, this vector has magnitude is become one only. Once check it, you are do that thing, you get that it is as a one only. The magnitude is become should be one. How? Once check it, yes, this A cap modulus is become what? Yes, A cap vector is what? 1 by nothing but 3I by under root of 50I plus 4 by under root of 50 of j plus what it will be? Yes, 5 by under root of 50 it will be there. Okay, key. And what is the modulus of A bar? Tell me now. Yes, under root of 3 by, yes, sorry, 3 whole square is plus what we are considered here, plus 4 by under root of 50 whole square, plus what? Yes, 5 by under root of 50 whole square. Yes, that modulus should become 1 only. Okay, once do it, you will get it is for you. Okay, got it or? Yes, I hope you got it. It is. Yes, one second here. There is a what it is under root of what it is under root 3 square 9 by 50 plus 16 by 50 plus, okay, what will be get for us? 25 by 50. Okay, in this way, there is when you are doing this, there is we get the what of 50. Yes, what it will be get for us? Yes, 50 is the common everywhere. That's why there is a 9 plus 16 plus 25. Yes, under root of 50 by 50. Under root of 50 by 50. That is equal to what? 1 or the magnitude is become 1 for a unit vector. Got it or not? In this way, we have taken it is okay now. Yes, it's a very important for you. Okay now, why? Because this is only somewhat a critical concept in a types of vectors till now. Yes, when you know this, when you understand it, okay, automatically somewhat a mathematical foundation for a vectors you may get. Mathematical foundation of physics may got. Okay, got it or? Why we have to find out unit vector for a vector? We discuss later. Next to your lecture, we have it. But you have to should know everyone what is a unit vector. Why? Because everywhere, in everywhere vectors, the unit vector importance is a more. Okay, clear or not? Yes. Once again, I repeat it till once observed. A cap, the unit vector is defined as A bar by mod A. Okay, now yes. Why? Because we written this now. What is a parallel vector for a given vector? Okay, now yes. Fundamental parallel vector for a given vector is unit vector only. A cap is a parallel to the A bar. What it are? Please, who's that? Some branch. Please mute all. Mute all. I hope you got it here. There is a lot. We have to write A bar is equal to A cap into mod A. Okay, that is also gives for us. Or otherwise, it will be also written as yes, A bar is equal to A1I plus A2J plus A3K. That will mod. How to find out a modulus for a given vector? How to find out a modulus for a given vector? How to find out it here? Modulus of under root of A1 plus A2 plus A3. Yes, that is only called our modulus. Okay, now we want to find out a unit vector for a vector. In what we have to take that vector, it is in a numerator and a modulus in a denominator is get that what unit vector. Suppose, for example, we taken this vector, this is become the unit vector of that vector. Got it? Yeah. One more important concept, whatever the unit vector you have to take here, that vector magnitude or that vector mod value is become 1. Okay, this is only the proof for it. Okay, once do it, once complete it. It's a very important thing. All the students don't neglect this component. Okay, now yes. Yeah, understood everyone? This is understood or not? Please give the response to me. Yeah. Next one. Zeroth vector. All the teachers, please give the possibility of interaction of the students. Please allow them to interact with me. If you are there or not, interact with me. It is a better thing. Why? Because somewhat it is a critical components. Okay, when they understood these things, at that time only the IIT foundation is understood. Okay. Yeah. Next component is null vector. Next component is null vectors. Or it is also called zero vectors. Yeah, there is any two vectors are there. Okay, one is that is what actually opposite vectors are unlike vectors. Yeah. Please, once make unmute now. Once make unmute in your particular place. My sound, whatever the sound is there for you in a Zoom corner side, please make it is mute. Na sound కొంచెం mute చేసేయండి. Please mute my sound. Then you talk.
Sir, we can't see the board, sir. Write some
big letters. Yeah, actually more than this much it is not a possible on the board. Okay, I covered total board. Okay, yes, and make it zoom in case it is not appear for you. Make it is zoom. Okay, now.
Sir, letters write little bit big. Write the letters with cell can't see.
Once think about this. If I am write a big, this concept is not a filled in this particular board now. Okay, now maximum I am writing in a big format only. That's the I try my level best. I try my level best, and today onwards I said that whatever the things are there on a capturing format of my photos. Okay.
Sir.
Yeah. Okay. You take a maximum. Yes, all the teachers, please take a maximum speed. Maximum speed. Now there is a no blurring and all these things make it maximum speed. You take a maximum speed. Okay, don't take a minimize screen. Maximize screen you have to take it is. Yes, don't take a small pic of me and totally you have to take a big picture and maximize the speed or resolution of that picture will be also adjusted. You'll get a clarity in that letter. Yeah. Now there is a zeroth vector. Whatever the zeroth vector it is there. The zeroth vector means what? One is AB, another one is CD. Yes, AB is in one direction. Yes, CD is in another direction. Okay, clear? AB is in one direction, CD is in another direction. Both are in same in a magnitude, but one is opposite to another one. When I am taken these two vectors, sum are resulted that become what? Zero. What that is AB bar plus CD bar is equal to become what? Zero. Why? Because AB bar, yes, plus of minus here, minus CD bar it is. But what we written is minus CD bar is equal to what? AB bar. Okay, AB bar is equal to minus CD bar, but it is a what? It is equal to AB bar. Now it will become what? AB bar minus AB bar only. Why? Because CD bar is equal to what? AB bar. Then it is equal to 0. Got it? Yes. This is only called a null vector. 0 bar. But there is a no magnitude. Okay, the magnitude is become 0, but the direction is available. The direction is indefinite mode. Okay, now that is only we written as a null vector. It is in a indefinite mode. What is that mode of that vector? Indefinite. Okay, this is only about the concept of null vector. Got it? Yes, I hope you got it. Zero vector or null vector. Yeah, all the students, tomorrow we go with the next concept. Okay, now whatever the remaining types up to orthogonal vectors, and then after we are going with that what our conceptual working sheet. Please note down it.